In today's video, we will be taking a look at 4 NFT-based play-to-earn games that you can profit from every day. You might already be familiar with these games because we always include them on most of our lists. Sorry, we just can't help to be so bullish about these titles. And not to mention, these are fun and entertaining games in and of themselves. So even if you take out the play-to-earn aspect, these games can still be addicting. So if you don't want to miss out, you better watch the video from start to finish. As always, we do want to give a disclaimer and mention that this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors, so make sure you're always doing your own research and making your own decisions. Let's begin. Playing video games is very fun, but playing crypto games is not only fun and entertaining, but can also give you a lot of money. However, it's tough to find the time to sit in front of the computer or your mobile phone and play for the whole day. Don't be afraid. We have the absolute best collection of mobile NFT games that can possibly make you $50 richer every day. Number 1. League of Kingdoms. We've featured many new and upcoming projects on this channel, but League of Kingdoms is one of the largest and fastest metaverse projects in the first quarter of this year. League of Kingdoms holds the title of one of the fastest growing blockchain MMO games in the whole world. The project is worth about $400 million with its recent public offering. The League of Kingdoms game has actually been around for a long time. First released in July 2020, it's one of the first 4X MMO blockchain strategy games. You might be wondering what 4X is. Well, this is the type of games that focuses on exploration, expansion, exploring, and exterminating. As such, League of Kingdoms is a massively multiplayer strategy game focused on building kingdoms and governing the world. As you can imagine, a lot has happened in League of Kingdoms in terms of actual gameplay. It's a fun, intuitive, complex, tactical, dynamic, and flexible game with many modes of content, specifications, events, and items. Players can build their kingdoms and equip their armies to protect their people and fight their enemies, adding to their own armies and lords who want to join the kingdom and form alliances. After that, the coalition will compete with the rest of the world and other continents to gain global dominance in the game. We've seen games like this in traditional gaming areas, titles like Clash of Clans or the iconic Civilization series. One significant difference is that they had never launched at this scale, nor have they had the exciting perk of allowing blockchain integration. League of Kingdoms is free to play, and with incredible earning potential, there are several reasons why you should actively invest in this project. Number 2. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has genuinely taken the blockchain gaming space by storm, with over 90,000 ETHs traded through the in-game marketplace. That's a substantial transactional volume of over 250 million, and Axie's best sale so far reached up to $1 million for 300 ETH. This play-to-earn implementation has seen Axie Infinity gain over 250,000 daily users on its platform, and that number is growing daily with little to no signs of stopping. Additionally, with strategic partnerships with companies like Bynum, Avi, Samsung, and even Ubisoft, perhaps Axie Infinity's massive influence in the decentralized and mainstream world is starting to become more evident. Axie Infinity offers players a Pokemon-inspired universe where skilled gameplay rewards them with achievement tokens. There are many ways to earn in Axie Infinity, from arena battles with other players to adventures in story mode, or even just create and build your own assets for ultimate and unique offspring, creating and minting your very own assets with marketplace value. Axie Infinity only really started to enter the mainstream when gamers and enthusiasts realized that playing seriously would definitely get a steady income of about $500 to $1,000 per month. This is not very impressive in most first-world countries, but it attracts the interest and many players and investors in developing countries. With the addition of the most resounding NFT virtual properties Axie Homeland and Axie Origins, the Axie team is looking to continue to build their own innovations and more. Hey, if you're liking this video so far, remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to enable the notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we post a new video. Number 3. Bynum. Creating an NFT-based blockchain game requires carefully balancing two key parameters: revenue potential and gameplay. The Bynum team is highly focused on the current revenue generation and are guaranteed to attract wide attention. After the grand vision, the Bynum team was in the early stages of creating an entire metaverse. Due to its large population, the project strives to attract new and seasoned crypto investors to the space's most profitable crypto-based gaming protocol. Compared to most of the fantastic games hosted on NFT networks, the Bynum team's most brilliant decision, and perhaps one of the biggest drivers behind the project's early success, was the decision to host the game on the Binance Smart Chain network. This is because the Ethereum ecosystem is expensive and very crowded. Another critical understanding that is really of interest to investors and crypto players is the intense focus of the Bynum project on essential revenue mechanisms. Currently, Bynum provides users with profitability through the platform through 6 methods: collecting, trading, adventure, farming, fighting each other, and fighting AI. Existing burn mechanisms are very attractive in any type of crypto ecosystem. This put tremendous pressure on the overall coin price to rise as deficits intensified. Fewer tokens mean higher personal tokens. As such, the Bynum token maintains a deflationary model that integrates well with every aspect of the platform. Each individual booster pack is unlocked, and each battle is designed to reduce the total supply of the initial token distribution. Also, as more monsters and powerful NFTs are created, more tokens will be needed and destroyed, opening up a nice positive feedback loop that really motivates players and investors. Bynum is a successful project. It's not an unproven product and is not at an early stage that's yet to see the market open. Bynum has been working well for a couple of months now, but what makes this an attractive investment opportunity is that the project is well positioned to maintain and manage its continued growth. Number 4. Splinterlands. Splinterlands is a very popular and well-known blockchain trading card game. Since its launch, there are currently thousands of users actively collecting and trading NFT-based game cards. Since 2018, the platform has continued to grow in terms of the player base and several fresh features. With impressive trading volume levels and massive reward systems, more and more players and investors are participating in Splinterlands. It runs on the Hive blockchain. Though not as large as the Ethereum ecosystem, Hive hosts many blockchain games and is the perfect base for video games because of its faster transactions and lower gas fees. NFT-designed assets are great collectibles, but are also made for game owners, with each card owned by the player and traded through the Hive-based marketplace. However, Splinterlands has a lot of competition, and the game is evolving with traditional game technology. This is definitely the most divisive aspect of the game, as it's very different from any card game we have come across. Having mobile apps as well as standard desktop-based accessibility is another big plus for most blockchain gaming projects. That is why the Splinterlands dev team employs this multi-platform system in the project. It helps Splinterlands attract a more extensive player base. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about these 4 games? Are you interested in trying out any of them? And for those who have experience with these games, what are your thoughts about them? Share all of these sentiments with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Investment Tribe. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.